but the schedule might be adjusted due to some weather conditions. Alam niyo naman, may bagyo-bagyo ngayon, baha. Itong mga equipment nito ay hindi lang dito sa Cebu. The rest are coming from Manila. In fact, others are imported. So, yun ang dapat din natin i-factor in. But by that time, by October 15, 2025, I think ang ibang mga classrooms pwede na yan magamit. Ready na for the use of the students. Kasi right now, the enrollment committee will be able to tell you out of the total number, ilan lang ang pwede magamit. So by that, pwede natin na gamit little by little ng mga available classrooms. Kahit ito, kung safety lang sana, mapunta dito mga bata, we will allow. But unfortunately, may mga classrooms pa na dapat pa talaga i-retrofit.
Mr. President, to be specific, saan part po sa classroom yung may pinakamatagal na ma-construct or ma-finish?
Yeah, I give it to the technical field kung based sa analysis nyo. Out of the 35, saan ang mag-post tayo ng more time?
This building, sir.
Itong building?
Yes, building.
This
Ito
building.
yung pinakamarami.
Marami, oo.
Yes, sir.
How many classrooms do we have here?
14.
14.
14 class.
So, kaya dito talaga na-concentrated ngayon ang trabaho pa. Now, as promised, we are here today to present a model or mock-up classroom as a significant milestone of the university. This mock-up classroom is just an example. There are still 34 more classrooms that we are going to construct. As you will move around here, it's how the retrofitting is actually conducted. We requested the contractor to prioritize the chipping works, yung pangbakbak sa mga tiles, kasi these are all very dangerous to the students. That actually requires talaga complete no face-to-face classes because of the dust. What I learned sa tiles nga imo bakbakon, pag makasuan na sa mata makabuta. So I hope this can be completed by the month of September. Chipping works? September. So that by the month of October, we'll have additional classrooms like this. And there are other classrooms that would have some special features to cater to the needs of the students. We conducted this press conference to inform the public that the project is progressive. And then the fear, the worries that were felt before is now actually toned down because we are now on the right track of the project implementation. That the students, once they come back on September 1 for our 75-25 on-site, online modality, there will be limited or, shall we see, as much as possible, zero incidents to happen because the most critical work that would put their lives in danger had already been ongoing. So talaga yun ang inuna namin para ang mga bata ma-safety. So nakikita na naman nyo, very limited ang space ng Cebu Normal. At saka doon sa may administration building, yung isang malaking, very significant na project na ng marker ng Cebu Normal University, the donation marker to be unveiled anytime in October. Since 23 years nagdaan, hindi pa po na-unveil ang donation marker ng CNU.